I'm sorry, I thought you had to see that. It is like 12 o'clock right now. I'm really tired. Just start kicking balloons around. Here, record me. I want to do that. Hi, guys. Okay, you better take that out. Where's your bow, Rin?
I take it off.
Oh, skill. Whoa, that looks like green, and it's not really green. It's supposed to be like blue.
Look at that.
Weird.
It's SpongeBob.
Yeah, and then Miku died. I kind of
stepped on it.
Yeah.
Sorry, I didn't mean to step on it.
You killed.
Try to keep the balloons like in here. I'm good. No. Yeah.
Lee. Stupid.
Here, someone want to record? That was really cool looking, sort of. If you knew it. Okay. I guess.
Made up my own dances, like mixed with the cream. I don't have an iPod Touch, but oh dang it! Passcode! Train vegetable juice! And vegetable juice is nasty. I only sell it because, you know, Joe needs some money. He's like,
She has some problems.
yeah.
Oh gosh, stop it.
Can I tell my baby?
Is she okay?
Go die. I'm just kidding, that's mean.
I don't think she's okay.
Are you cold? Do you want one of my leg warmers?
What? I'm gonna.
What? No. Wait. No. Well, I thought that one came off and I exploded everywhere, but it didn't. It didn't. So I'm here now. I love you. I love you. I love you.
That's from Elf.
Oh, it's not. Yes, it is. Shut up, Miku. Yeah, we're gonna watch it. You know when Miku shows up, okay?
You know you're Miku, right?
Yeah. Okay. It's a gorilla fly.
Mm-hmm.
Wait, no, it's a butterilla.
Butterilla, yeah, Butterilla. I'm just supposed to throw these on the ground right now. No.
Look at this. They help you slow across the room. You know what I mean, Jelly? Okay, okay, I understand. I understand how you feel, but you don't need to hold me while you do. There. You should wear this. Oh wait, no, it's purple. Don't wear it. Got the toe. Yay! Look at it. It doesn't fit because your pigtails anyway. The circle of life. Can I pick this up? No. Too heavy. It has my name. Oh, I can mess it up. Oh. You know what? This candy cane is red and green and white. Holy smacks. Holy smacks. Holy smacks. You know, is there a Vocaloid that has, I don't know, Kaito or so sorry. Okay. Quick, don't make any sudden movements. They won't see you. We're gonna head that way. Okay.